Hey there, feather riders and adventure seekers. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something special in store for you as we dive deep into the world of motorcycle cameras. If you're on the hunt for the best motorcycle camera to capture your two-wheeled escapades, you're in the right place. We've handpicked 7 incredible products that are ready to take your riding experience to the next level. So, without further ado, let's rev up and explore the top contenders in a quest for the perfect shot on the open road. At the first position of our list, we have Sena Motorcycle Bluetooth Communication System with Speakers. If you're a motorcycle enthusiast who loves staying connected while on the road, the Sena Motorcycle Bluetooth Communication System with Speakers is a game-changer. This cutting-edge device offers crystal-clear communication, allowing you to stay in touch with fellow riders or take calls hands-free. The integrated speakers deliver exceptional audio quality, ensuring you never miss a beat of your favorite tunes or navigation instructions. Not only does the Sena system excel in communication, but it also boasts a sleek and aerodynamic design that seamlessly fits into your helmet. With its simple and intuitive controls, you can adjust settings, answer calls, and listen to music effortlessly while riding. Plus, its impressive battery life means you won't have to worry about constant recharging during your journeys. Whether you're a solo rider or part of a group, the Sena Motorcycle Bluetooth Communication System enhances your riding experience, making it safer and more enjoyable. Stay connected, stay safe, and stay ahead with this remarkable motorcycle accessory. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Insta361X2 Waterproof Action Camera. Capture your motorcycle adventures like never before with the Insta361X2 Waterproof Action Camera. This compact and powerful camera is designed to handle the toughest riding conditions while delivering stunning 360-degree footage. From scenic routes to thrilling rides, you can relive every moment in incredible detail. The camera's waterproof design ensures it can withstand rain, splashes, or even full submersion, making it the perfect companion for all-weather riders. With advanced stabilization technology, your footage remains smooth and steady, even during high-speed rides or bumpy terrains. Its intuitive touchscreen interface allows for easy control and live preview, ensuring you get the perfect shot every time. Share your adventures with the world, whether it's through social media or creating immersive VR experiences. With the Insta361X2, you'll capture the essence of your motorcycle journeys like never before, making it the ultimate tool for riders who want to document and share their thrilling escapades.
Number 3. GoPro Hero 11 Black Bundle. Includes extra Enduro battery. GoPro Hero 11 Black Bundle. This bundle not only includes the GoPro Hero 11 Black, but also an extra Enduro battery, making it a fantastic choice for busy moms who want to capture memories effortlessly. In terms of design, it's sleek and portable, fitting easily into your bag or pocket. The build quality is exceptional, ensuring it can withstand various conditions. Usability is a breeze with an intuitive touchscreen and simple controls. When it comes to features, the GoPro Hero 11 Black shines with its 5.3K resolution, hyper-smooth 4.0 stabilization, and Time Walk 4.0 capabilities. Whether you're taking photos or shooting videos, the results are outstanding. This camera is highly effective for creating high-quality content, whether it's for sharing with friends and family or documenting your baby's milestones. In terms of specifications, the included extra Enduro battery extends your shooting time, so you never have to worry about running out of power during special moments. It's a reliable choice for moms who want to capture every precious memory.
And next at number 4, we have Wzquisite Motorcycle Camcorder with Waterproof Bracket. If you're a motorcycle enthusiast who loves capturing your rides in stunning detail, the Wzquisite Motorcycle Camcorder with Waterproof Bracket is your ideal companion. This camcorder is designed with riders in mind, featuring rugged construction and impressive video quality. The waterproof bracket ensures your camcorder remains safe and dry in any weather conditions, making it suitable for all-season riding. The high-resolution lens captures every twist and turn, providing crisp and clear footage even in challenging lighting situations. With an easy-to-use interface and intuitive controls, you can start recording with a simple touch, allowing you to focus on the road ahead. The camcorder's wide-angle lens ensures you capture the full scope of your adventures, whether you're cruising on highways or tackling off-road trails. The Wzquisite motorcycle camcorder is the perfect choice for riders who want to document their journeys and relive the excitement of every ride, rain or shine. The number 5 position is held by TANGMI motorcycle waterproof action camera with flashlight. When it comes to capturing your motorcycle adventures in all their glory, the TANGMI motorcycle waterproof action camera with flashlight stands out as a versatile and reliable companion. This action camera is built tough to handle the demands of the road while offering unique features that set it apart. The camera's waterproof design ensures it can brave rain, splashes, or even underwater excursions, giving you the freedom to document your rides in any weather. What sets this camera apart is its integrated flashlight, which adds an extra layer of versatility. Whether you need to illuminate dark paths or enhance your night rides, the flashlight feature comes in handy. With easy-to-use controls and a wide-angle lens, you can capture the full scope of your journeys with stunning clarity. Share your adventures with friends and fellow riders and relive the excitement through your footage. For motorcycle enthusiasts who want to document their rides with flair, the TANGMI motorcycle waterproof action camera with flashlight is the ideal choice. The number 6 position is dominated by Vantrue F1 motorcycle 4K front and rear dashcam. For riders who prioritize safety and security on the road, the Vantrue F1 motorcycle 4K front and rear dashcam is an invaluable addition to your gear. This cutting-edge dashcam is designed to capture every detail of your rides, providing you with crucial evidence in case of accidents or incidents. The Vantrue F1 features both front and rear cameras, ensuring you have a comprehensive view of your surroundings. The 4K resolution guarantees sharp and clear footage, even in low-light conditions. With loop recording and a G sensor, the camera automatically saves important moments and protects them from being overwritten. The compact and discreet design seamlessly fits onto your motorcycle, making it a valuable and unobtrusive addition. Its waterproof construction ensures it can withstand the elements, giving you peace of mind during your journeys. Stay safe and secure on the road while capturing your motorcycle adventures in stunning detail with the Vantrue F1 motorcycle 4K front and rear dashcam. Finally, the number 7 position is held by VSYSTO Wi-Fi motorcycle dashcam. When it comes to motorcycle safety and documenting your rides, the VSYSTO Wi-Fi motorcycle dashcam is a top-tier choice. This innovative dashcam is packed with features that cater specifically to the needs of riders, ensuring you're protected on the road while preserving your adventures. The VSYSTO dashcam offers Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to easily review and share your footage with your smartphone. With dual cameras for both front and rear views, you have a complete perspective of your surroundings. The 1080 resolution ensures high-quality video, even in challenging lighting conditions. Built with durability in mind, this dashcam is waterproof and can withstand the elements, ensuring it performs flawlessly in all weather conditions. Additionally, its loop recording and G sensor functions provide peace of mind by automatically saving important moments during your rides. Choose the VSYSTO Wi-Fi motorcycle dashcam for unbeatable safety, security, and the ability to capture and share your motorcycle journeys with ease. Thanks for joining us on this journey to discover the best motorcycle cameras. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more motorcycle gear insights and riding adventures. Stay safe, keep riding, and capture those epic moments on your two-wheeled journeys.